Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through deleting a community on WhatsApp. It's quick and easy. First, open your WhatsApp and navigate to the Communities tab. Let's get started. Find the community you wish to delete. Tap on it to enter the group settings. In the settings, scroll down to the option labeled Delete Community. Click it. You'll receive a confirmation prompt. Confirm that you want to delete this community. And that's it. Your community is now deleted. Enjoy a cleaner WhatsApp experience. Remember to check in with your communities regularly to keep things manageable. Happy messaging! If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Do you have other WhatsApp questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time with more insightful HowTOS. Until then, keep exploring the features of WhatsApp. There's so much to discover. Goodbye, and happy chatting.